Hello, lovely viewer. Welcome back to Ajayastromoneyguru, your ultimate destination for the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, on the 1st of April 2024, we are diving into the dynamic world of cotton prices with exciting developments from Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. So, buckle up and let's get started. First up, let's talk about Maharashtra. Cotton prices here have been on a roller coaster ride lately. On Monday, we witnessed a significant surge in prices, fueled by increased purchases from spinning mills. The closure of mills last month led to a drop in cotton purchases, but with cotton exports soaring and local yarn demand on the rise, spinning mills are back in action, driving up prices. Kapas prices held steady, while cottonseed prices saw a notable rise of 100 rupees. In the domestic futures market, cotton prices followed suit, with the April 24 futures contract on NCDEX witnessing a 31 rupees and 50 paise increase to 1,551 rupees per 20 kilograms for kapas prices. Meanwhile, the May 2024 futures contract on MCX saw a whopping 500 rupees surge to 62,500 rupees per candy for cotton prices. Now, let's shift our focus to Madhya Pradesh. Here, cotton prices experienced a similar surge, driven by stronger demand from spinning mills. With anticipation of heightened local and export demand for cotton yarn, coupled with ginning mills holding firm on prices, the market is witnessing a bullish trend. Kapas and cottonseed prices remain stable, indicating a positive outlook for the near future. In the domestic futures market, cotton prices continued their upward trajectory, with the April 2024 futures contract on NCDEX seeing kapas prices surge by 38 rupees and 50 paise to 1,558 rupees per 20 kilogram. Similarly, the May 24 futures contract on MCX recorded a 500 rupees increase to 62,500 rupees per candy for cotton prices. Finally, let's talk about Rajasthan. Here, cotton prices have remained stable for the fourth consecutive trading day, reflecting limited demand from spinning mills. Despite this stability, ginners are facing sluggish sales. However, with the Cotton Corporation of India (CCI) vending cotton at elevated prices and expectations of a surge in local demand for cotton yarn, experts predict further improvements in prices in the days to come. Kapas and cottonseed prices held steady, indicating cautious optimism in the market. In the domestic futures market, cotton prices in Rajasthan also saw positive movement, with the April 24 futures contract on NCDEX witnessing kapas prices rise by 15 rupees and 50 paise to 1,535 rupees per 20 kilogram. Similarly, the May 2024 futures contract on MCX saw cotton prices climb by 500 rupees to 62,500 rupees per candy. And there you have it, folks. That's the latest scoop on cotton prices from Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Rajasthan. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on commodities. Until next time, this is Nina signing off from Ajayastromoneyguru. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Happy trading!